Today we will do the albumin test, and for this we have Arba brand reagent. Now we'll open this, and as we can see there are two containers inside. First one is reagent and the other one is standard. Now we will take the standard to do the calibration of the albumin test. The reagent for the albumin test comes in liquid form. And albumin test is at number 21 in biochemistry machine. Here is the procedure for albumin test calibration. Requirements for albumin test calibration are albumin test reagent kit with standard, calibration chart, 2 micropipettes, one large of 100 to 1000 microliters and one small of 5 to 50 microliters. Micropipette tips both large and small. Tissue paper, and now let's begin with the calibration procedure. Now let's take 5 cuvettes, one for distilled water, one for 1x, 2x, 4x and 6x, and 2 more cuvettes for L1 and L2. We will also take 2 more cuvettes for a sample. The cuvettes should be clean and dry. Now we'll add 500 microliters of albumin reagent in each cuvette. And then we will pour 5 microliter of albumin standard in 1x. Ten microliters in 2x, $20 microliters in 4x, and 30 microliters in 6x. And 5 microliters of quality control in both L1 and L2 cuvettes. After that, we'll take 5 microliter of a patient serum in both sample cuvettes. Now we'll begin with the incubation process. Calibration control and sample are now ready for incubation. We will incubate these for 3 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius temperature, and we'll set a timer for 3 minutes. Now 3 minutes are passed and the incubator started beeping. It means incubation is completed. After incubation, we will take out the cuvette containing calibration and quality control from the incubator. Now we will come to the biochemistry machine to do the calibration. There are two options on the display of the biochemistry machine. First option is 1, that is accurate all, and second is AccuKine. We will choose accurate all and then press 0 to enter in calibration mode. Albumin test is available in accurate all. Enter code, that is 3 times 0, and then press 2 to calibrate. Then press 1 for calibration. Then select albumin test at 21 number. Machine will ask for 0 reference. To set 0 reference, we will put the cuvette with distilled water and press enter. For standard, take 1x cuvette and then press enter. After that, 2x cuvette, then press enter. Now 4x cuvette and press enter. For each cuvette, only 2 seconds are needed for calibration. Calibration is done. Lastly, 6x cuvette and then press enter. And to view the calibration values, press 5. And to get print, press read button. Then press del, then yes to go back. Now select albumin test by pressing 21 button. Display shows perform control test. We will take level 1 cuvette and press enter. Now right arrow to select L1 and press enter. To print, press read. Now we'll take L2 and press enter 3 times. And press read to get print. Quality control is now done. Now we'll check the standard configuration of the calibration cuvette. For that, we'll press the right arrow 3 times. Then 1x will appear. Put the 1x cuvette and press enter button. To print, you have to press the read button. Put 2x cuvette and press enter button. To print, you have to press the read button. Put 4x cuvette and press enter button. To print, press read button. Put 6x cuvette and press enter button. To print, press read button. Match the values of each cuvette with calibration chart. Now we'll perform albumin test for patient samples. We have samples of 2 patients marked as L1 and L2. First, we take level 1 sample, press enter, then 1 to select level 1, and then read to get printout. For level 2, press enter, then press 2 to select level 2 and read to print.